try, give me the blind, baby girl. Anytime I look into your pretty eye, I and I, what can I over your pony pie? Me nipple to your nigga eye. Look me up, it's me up, baby girl. I tell her that my love is really body fiber. It's all good, and I'm so high. Shopping all night, NOC all night.
Got the rich man them. I'm not for that, living from a bottomless. Need to give some money to my. Got the tell them. See what I'm on the mark, first I make. On the left, get off your title. Watch. Mama, even if they kill me. What do you know about the girl that's too fast? And the girl have a party with it up. Some of the girls should know.
It's a kind of the strong one and you're watching Yard Beat. Don't touch that dial, don't even wink. Keep it locked. Bless the Lord.
What a world. Come in, select, I run it. Hey. In and out, up and down, all around, yes. In and out, up and down, all around, oh. When you're facing an uphill journey, you never know what tomorrow brings. So if you see me a twist and turning, I'm only trying to do my thing. 'Cause a bed of roses, everyone it seems, and I know that gotta face extremes, bed of roses, gotta thorns between. Never let them stop you from fulfilling your dreams. Hey. And in this world that we all are living in, they are those who persist to stall your thinking. And like sorcerers, they turn routine into challenge. And they hoping you just won't manage. 'Cause a bed of roses, never one it seems, and I know that gotta face extremes, bed of roses, gotta thorns between. Never let them stop you from fulfilling your dreams. Hey. In and out, up and down, all around, yes. In and out, up and down, all around, oh. Taken from my latest album, Time. Tomorrow I think we're bones. So try to never be no walkover. No fear and come push over, trying as a militant. Watch out for the setbacks, feel the vipers. Don't be wild looking for miracles in this time to solve their problem. It takes hard work for you to go around them. 'Cause a bed of roses, they're the one it seems, and I know that we've got to face extremes. Bed of roses, got the thorns between. Never let them stop you from fulfilling your dreams. Bed of roses, they're the one it seems, and I know extremes, bed of roses, got it thorns between. Never let them stop you from fulfilling. Thank you very much. Now that we found out, what are we gonna do with it? I've got my life invested in you right now. Can't turn my back on all the things we share. Everything has its value and everything has its price. And all my assets and cash is just for you. 'Cause I'm committed. What that one now? I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Hey, thank you very much. God bless you. rude, hey, watch out, I want to tell you, say, I love you, you know. That's so wicked, man. That's so wicked, man, tell you for true, man. Yes, man. Pete me here. Hey, mama, Pete my love, hey, yes. I'd like to have a new album and launch it tomorrow at Red Bones, and I'd like to invite each and everyone to come out, you know. Tomorrow I'll be doing most of the songs from the latest album. I just want to leave a little piece of this one for you. Check this out. What we have is such a beautiful thing, so precious and rare, expressed on the outside, but it's coming from within, yeah. Ooh, such a beautiful thing. You build me up, you lift me up, you set my world on fire, and for that I thank you, baby. You light me up, you bright me up, what more can I say, yeah. Ooh, such a beautiful thing, 'cause we've got the formula. Take us through the storm, take us through the rain. We've got the formula. Oh, it's a joy over and over again. So many search and try to find the true meaning of love. Hey, see you all tomorrow, okay? Oh, so many try to find the true meaning of love. That burn, hot like fire, and I say that we've got the formula. All right, record. Hey, can I sit down and sing that one now? Hey. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Hey. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Hey. Play me reggae music in any condition. Drop it in a style, drop it in a fashion. Everywhere I go, I'm rocks the reggae man. Play me reggae music for chant down Babylon. Whoa, 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 yeah, Mr. Reggae. That's right. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae. Check out the piece, check out this, check out this. Wicked. And them young people, them really good, you know, them great. Them really great. Say me legal, I me no take back chat, I me a hardcore, I me tough like rock. See you all tomorrow, okay?
her a happy birthday, okay? Okay. Tracy Hamilton. Where is she?
Where's Tracy? Tracy! Her boyfriend gone with her. Check up. I went to boat place. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yeah, the day you born and the same day we are going dead. Yeah, happy birthday, girlfriend, alright? Yeah. Yesterday was my birthday, so the two of us can cut the cake. Eh? Come cut it with you? You sure I won't say anything? Okay, well, if I ask it for leave, you know. Alright, alright.
Okay, and where was that competition held?
In London on the 1st of December.
In London on the 1st of December. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm falling in love with you already. Just the accent alone. Okay, so tell us about yourself.
Well, as you know, I'm current Miss Jamaica UK, so I'll be reigning throughout 2013. I recently graduated. I'm a business entrepreneur at heart. Yes, beauty and brains. And I'm a lifestyle and media personality, so I've done a lot of acting, presenting, hosting, that sort of thing as well. So yeah, we're taking over. Powerful females. Yeah.
Give her a round of applause, please. Beauty and brains. My gosh. Okay, and please don't harass the girl. I'm sure she's taken.
Are you? Scotland, tough, shine, bright. Black warriors to the fullest. Trendsetters. Trendsetters, you hear that? Bright. They don't know a yard beat, I don't know what's up to we yard. I'm a yard from Illico, so now we are big man, we are number one. What's international? We pass here for what we say? Internet, what we say? Ain't nothing worse than red eye people. World no. Ain't nothing worse than red eye people. Selassie, I say life and love to all things. Black woman bring for birth unto my offsprings. A queen is what I recommend for all kings. Black woman give me love and make me chant and sing. Cause there is no joy in being lonely. I'm thankful I have someone to hold me. Loneliness will kill you slowly but surely. So I'm giving thanks for Haley.
It's a Canada strong one and you're watching Yard Beat. Don't touch that dial, don't even wink. Keep it locked. Blessed love.